Hi and welcome to Software Skills Google Sheets. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to format currencies. So firstly, I've made a table here and there's two entities owned by a group. One is called UK Limited, which is UK based. The second one is called USA Limited, which is US based. Now the USA company would want to use dollars for their figures and the UK company would want to use pounds for their figures. So, firstly, we'll start with USA Limited. We highlight the figures that we want to turn into dollars. Then we go here and click on Format as Currency. And you can see that the figures have now got dollar signs in them. So now we formatted them into the dollar currency. For the UK Limited, however, we cannot use this function because this function will only give it a dollar sign, but we want to format it as pounds. So in order to do that, we go to Format, and then under Format, we go to Number, and then we go down to Custom Currency. And by Custom Currency, we can essentially select the relevant currency of our country. So I've gone into Custom Currency, and very simply, I can type in British and I get British pound sterling, and that's the relevant currency that I wanted. So I can then click on it and press apply. Now all the figures have a pound sign applied to them, and you can do the exact same thing for any other currency. So that is how you format for a currency on Google Sheets. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.